What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to view your workshop subscriptions on Steam, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, without further ado, let's jump to the topic. So how to view subscriptions in Steam Workshop. That's the first option. So open Steam's client on your PC or mobile, or use a browser to access Steam website. So then what you need to do is hover over the section which is called Community from the menu on the top, then select Workshop from the drop down menu. In there, what you need to do in the workshop screen, scroll down until you find your workshop items on the right hand side of the screen. From there on, click your files below to open a new screen, and basically from there on the menu on the right hand, select subscribed items, and you can choose to sort the items either by name or date of subscription creation or latest update. Then step 6 is you can navigate the list using the navigation arrows below and select the number of items on each page. So from this page you can access and manage your subscription items. Options include rating the workshop item, putting it in your favorites, or unsubscribing it from it completely. As you can see, Dota 2, but you're recording a video over here, you can unsubscribe it. So easily, the Steam Workshop is a great way to add new content to an older game. Some games such as Tabletop Simulator or Elder Scrolls Skyrim rely on modded content to unlock their potential and bring more fun to the players. As you can see, just on the workshop page, a section which is of workshop files, click on it and you can view your subscriptions as I told you. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.